on behalf of the people of Goa, on behalf of the entire student community, the NSUI strongly demands that the examinations, the SSC examinations, the HSSC examination, the NEET examination, the JEE examination, and all the entrance examinations which are supposed to be held have to be conducted only after a complete vaccination drive of the entire student community. Because examination during such a time will only mean that you are welcoming the COVID-19 third wave. During the second wave, we have seen that the health facilities, the healthcare facilities are in a very bad situation, and having an examination without the students being vaccinating is only a murder of the students. So we strongly demand that the CM must ensure that the examinations have to be held only after all the students are being vaccinated. The PM had the courtesy and had the courtesy to send the vaccines that were meant for the students, for the children of India. He had the courtesy to send the vaccines to countries across the world. But right now he does not have vaccines for our own children. It's a kind request that you make sure that the examinations are held only after vaccination, because NSUI will make sure that the examinations are not allowed without the students being vaccinated, because we do not want a third wave in such a situation. So it's a very, very stern warning to the CM and to the PM to have examinations across Goa and across the country only after vaccination of all the students.